We're now doing the 16 challenge sheet. Start step 2 in F3. We go up to the editing group in the Home tab and select the drop down where the sigma is. This means sum. This has some shortcut formulas that are often used. We choose the average. That automatically selected cells B3 to B13, so we just press enter. We click on the cell, hover on the fill handle in the bottom right. The cursor changes to a plus. We click and drag down to fill those cells. Step 4, go to B18. We need to do the Autosum with the minimum function. To do this, we click on the drop arrow again and we choose minimum. That's automatically selected B3 to B17, so we just press enter. We're now on step 5. We're in B19 still. We need to go back to the Autosum drop down and choose more functions. We can go to the statistical section and type in ME as a shortcut, and that will choose median for us. We click OK. It brings up a dialog showing us the cells to use. We need to change the 18 to a 17. You can also click on the little arrow, up arrow to the right, and this will allow you to actually select the cells directly. So you need to delete that first and then select the cells directly, and then you can click on it again to show the dialog and then click OK. Let's just check the formula by double clicking the cell. Median of B3 to B17 is correct. We're now in cell B20 for step 6. We need the highest score. We need to work out a function for this. So let's go back to the drop down for the Autosum drop down and look for a function that we can use. It's maximum for the highest value. So MAX, click on that. Now that selects the cells B3 to B19, which is not what we want. We can click again on B3 and drag to B17, and that does it correctly. Step 7, we need to select those 3 formulas B18 to B20. We're going to hover over the bottom right corner on the fill handle, click and drag to the right to use those formulas on the other columns. Checking it looks right, it is, so we can save that and finish. Click on the save icon at the top.